Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best stocking kits is probably one of the most heartwarming ways to infuse your holiday with a personal touch. These kits offer a unique blend of creativity and tradition, allowing you to craft beautiful, heirloom-quality Christmas stockings. Whether you're a seasoned stitcher or a curious beginner, these kits provide everything you need to create a cherished keepsake that will be treasured for years to come. Number 5. Dimensions Penguins Christmas Stocking Kit 16-foot. This year, make a special Christmas stocking. It's a heartwarming project that you can personalize for someone you love. The kit features an adorable design of two penguins. They are sharing a hug, perfect for the holiday season. The kit comes with everything you need to get started. It includes pre-sorted cotton thread, wool yarn, canvas, and more. You can personalize this stocking with a name. Use the included alphabet to add a special touch for a child or loved one. The finished stocking will measure 16 inches long. It's the perfect size to hang above the fireplace. What we like? This kit allows you to personalize the stocking with a name, making it a truly special keepsake. The adorable penguin design is perfect for anyone who loves cute and festive decorations. If you are looking for a unique and heartwarming gift, you should consider this one. What people say. For a beginner needlepointer, I found this kit really easy to follow and the design is absolutely adorable. I have never purchased such a well-thought-out, user-friendly needlepoint kit, and I have completed many. There are so many shades and hues to the yarn, but they not only provide a detailed map of the design on paper, they have included a strip of cardboard with one piece of yarn for each color attached to it with the name of the color indicated. Also, instead of simply providing a clump of all the yarn pieces for the user to figure out which color is which, they have separated it all out by color code and labeled as such. They have great instructions and threads already pre-sorted, a huge help with that done. Number 4. Dimensions Santa and Toys Christmas Stocking Kit. This year, make your own Christmas stocking with this kit. It includes everything you need to create a unique and personalized holiday decoration. The kit comes with pre-sorted cotton thread, wool yarn, a 14 mesh cotton canvas, felt backing, a needle, and easy-to-follow instructions. It has everything to get you started. The stocking features a detailed design of Santa Claus holding toys. It's a classic and charming design that will bring joy to your home. Use the included needlepoint alphabet to add a name. This makes it a special gift or a cherished keepsake for years to come. Once completed, the stocking measures 16 inches long. It's the perfect size to hang above the fireplace and fill with treats. What we like? This kit features a detailed Santa Claus design, bringing a classic Christmas feel. It also allows for personalization, adding a special touch. If you are looking for a traditional and personalized stocking, this is a great choice. What people say. Very cute picture and ample thread to complete the stocking. Very clear instructions. The floss was neatly separated and labeled, and the instructions and diagrams were clear and easy to follow. This stitched up to be a wonderful addition to our existing stockings. The color shadings really give the image depth and dimension. Number 3. Dimensions 71-09159 Snowman Needlepoint Kit. Today, we're showcasing a festive needlepoint kit. It's a fun way to create a beautiful Christmas decoration. This kit features a jolly snowman. Needlepoint is a type of counted thread embroidery. The yarn or floss is stitched through a stiff, open-weave canvas. This technique allows for detailed and colorful designs. This kit is designed to create a Christmas stocking. The finished product will feature a charming snowman. You'll love displaying it during the holidays. The kit includes a design of a jolly snowman. A pretty red cardinal is perched on his top hat. It's a delightful and festive design. With this kit, you can create your own unique Christmas decoration. It's a great way to enjoy a relaxing craft. The finished product will be a cherished keepsake. What we like? This kit features a jolly snowman design, perfect for adding a festive touch to your home. The kit is easy to stitch, making it a great option for beginners. If you are looking for a fun and easy project, this is a great choice. What people say. This stocking was very easy to follow the pattern. The kit had everything I needed to make the stocking. The threads were very pretty and easy to work with. Great kit. Small stick so takes a little more time but well worth it. Good quality wool thread. Number 2. Dimensions Fuzzy Penguin Christmas Stocking. Get ready for a cozy Christmas with this adorable stocking. This Dimensions kit includes everything you need to create a festive decoration. The kit features a 12 mesh canvas, printed in full color. It makes the stitching process easier and the final product more vibrant. Inside, you'll find pre-sorted wool and acrylic yarn. This ensures you have all the colors needed to bring the design to life. Easy-to-make pom-poms add a dimensional effect to the design. They give it a whimsical touch that everyone will love. You can personalize this stocking with names, dates, or special messages. Make it a cherished keepsake for years to come. When finished, it measures 16 inches long. It's the perfect size for filling with holiday treats and small gifts. What we like? This kit features a fuzzy penguin design, adding a fun and cozy feel. The pom-poms add a dimensional effect, making it stand out. If you like a stocking with a unique texture and design, you should consider this one. What people say. Great kit for a beginner. Everything included and the instructions are clear. The kit comes with ample thread, a needle and felt for a backing. The directions are straightforward and the canvas is pretty easy to read. There are a couple of colors which are hard to distinguish. Dimensions needlepoint kits come with everything you need. They have enough yarn and are fun to work. Number 1. Alice Peterson Reindeer Needlepoint Stocking Kit, Deluxe. This deluxe needlepoint kit from Alice Peterson is perfect for the holidays. It includes everything you need to create a beautiful stocking, making it a great gift or a fun project for yourself. Inside, you'll find the needlepoint canvas, high-quality cotton floss, and a detailed instruction booklet. This ensures a smooth and enjoyable stitching experience from start to finish. The large, deluxe-sized canvas measures 11 by 18.5 inches, providing ample space for intricate stitching. This allows you to create a truly stunning piece of holiday decor. The kit features a delightful reindeer design, perfect for adding a touch of whimsy to your holiday decorations. It's a timeless design that will be cherished for years to come. Made with cotton floss on a 14 mesh canvas, this kit ensures a smooth and easy stitching experience. The materials are carefully selected for their quality and durability. This unisex kit is suitable for all seasons, making it a versatile gift choice. Whether for yourself or a loved one, it's a wonderful way to celebrate the holidays. What we like? This kit comes in a deluxe size, offering more space for detailed stitching. The charming reindeer design is perfect for holiday decor or gifting. If you are looking for a larger stocking with a classic design, you should consider this one. What people say. Easy to follow. Very pretty. Great quality and easy to work on. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.